Hi, how we doing? I'm an idiot. Anyways, oh man. Um, Hi. Today, can you fuck off, please? I have some fucking banquet spaghetti. I think. I don't know how to do this video. I'm just fucking doing it, I guess. But yeah, so I have this banquet spaghetti that I make in the microwave here. Let's kind of move this over. Here we go. And, yeah, let's have a go here. I've never had it. It looks fucking disgusting, but we'll see how it goes. We're going to try just the noodles, and then we'll try a meatball. So, here we go, I guess. Fuck it. Cheers. Yeah. Mmm. What is that texture? I don't like that. Ooh. Mmm. I don't know. I don't like that. Is that plastic? Probably. I don't know. I don't know. But let's try the meatball. Let's see if the meatball's any good. Bro, what the fuck is this video? Honestly. No, literally, what the hell? Meatball's actually not bad. It's hard to screw up meatballs. It really is. Alright, I'm gonna try this with the spaghetti. Somehow. It's gonna be a challenge. Oh, here we go. Cheers, assholes. I mean, meatball's good. The noodles are meh. It's microwave spaghetti, so out of the freezer, so I'm not surprised that it's not that good. But okay, bye.